What is up, guys? Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now, today we're going to be taking a look at the Mountain Everest Max. Since everyone's working from home nowadays, I always see setup upgrades on my timeline. And the most common of them all is the keyboard, and we're going to be taking a look at one that takes things to new heights. Now let's start this off by unboxing it. This is gonna be fun because there's so much that comes in the well-designed package. It's huge and actually kinda looks like a shoebox. Behind, we have a bunch of cool feature highlights and a list of things included in the package. Inside, of course, we have the main keyboard in a 10 keyless format. We got ours in gunmetal gray, and it has a nice matte texture so you know it won't attract fingerprints. Plus, it's super durable with 2 aluminum faceplates. Under the keyboard, we have some routing channels that are perfect for cable management. Now, after the keyboard, we get the first accessory, a wrist pad. It's nice and soft for that added comfort when typing for hours. But not everyone likes using wrist pads, so it's nice that it's detachable. Now, the huge box has a drawer compartment containing all the other accessories. First, let's open the box labeled Customize, and we're off to a very packed start. The main keyboard comes with a silver keycap for the escape button, but in case you want to keep things uniform, we have the standard keycap included too. It's a quick, simple introduction to keycap customizations. But there's more, because this keyboard is hot swappable, and the package comes with 5 extra Cherry MX switches. All in different colors with different feels. The model we have comes with a full set of Cherry MX brown switches, which people consider is a middle ground with a tactile bump and silent travel. And to give you an idea, here's a quick audio sample. But in case you want to switch those out in the future, thanks to the included keyboard tool, you're able to test and experience the different switch types here as well. Some people like clicky, and some people like the more muted ones. And last, inside this box, we have some magnetic spacers for the riser feet. These small things make a huge difference with the experience, especially if you're working on your computer all day, just like me. The next box contains the media dock. It pops into the keyboard nice and easy with a USB-C connection and some magnets. It works right away, just plug and play. Here we have the usual controls for media like pause, play, and next, but what makes this special is the digital dial. Not only can you adjust volume on this, but you can play with things like brightness, RGB lighting, and display things like PC info or even a clock. And I thought I was spoiled with a volume rocker, but this one just goes above and beyond. The next accessory is the Numpad. And just like the media dock, it easily attaches to either side of the keyboard. There's a cool switch underneath where you can choose where the plugs come out. And just like that, we have a full keyboard for the people who can't work without a numpad. But it's not all work, because up top we have display keys. These are fully customizable and are meant to be used to help streamers multitask mid-stream. And the final box, of course, contains the cables. That's the usual USB-A to USB-C and a USB-C to USB-C extender. Put all those together and you get the full build for the Mountain Everest Max. Whether you're using this for work, play, or anything in between, I'm sure you'll be able to tailor it to your every need. It has so many cool features and functions, and instead of having a bunch of different peripherals on your desk, each with their own cables, you can keep things neat with this one jam-packed keyboard. You can grab one for $15,850, available now at Goodgame, Digital Walker, as well as Digital Walker's website and Shopee. You guys can check out more tech reviews on Unbox PH. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yep, subscribe because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So, don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your Tech Bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.